In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to Vercel. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, head over to Vercel's website. Vercel is an impressive platform if you're aiming to build and deploy exceptional web experiences using the power of the AI cloud. Once you're on the site, you'll want to go straight to the login page. So click on Login, enter your credentials and get started. In case you're new to Vercel, you'll need to set up an account, but if you're already set, simply enter your details and log in. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at Vercel Home. This is essentially your dashboard where you can access all your projects and manage them with ease. Now direct your attention to the domain section within your chosen project. Here is where the exciting part begins. Click on Domain to dive into domain management specific to your project. Now, we want to add our custom domain. You'll find the option to add a domain, so go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to integrate your personalized domain, making your web project not only professional but also uniquely yours. Next up, it's time to select a project. This step is crucial because the domain you add will be linked to this specific project. Ensure you choose the correct project from your list. If you only have one project, then your decision is straightforward. Otherwise, take a moment to pick the one you want your domain to reflect. Now comes the part where you add your custom domain. In the designated box, enter the domain name you already own or have purchased. Ensure you type it correctly to avoid any issues later on. It's as simple as typing it in and confirming it matches exactly what you registered. Make sure that your domain provider allows you to add custom DNS records if necessary, as sometimes verification or domain pointing may require additional steps. Once you've entered your domain, Vercel will guide you through any necessary verification steps to ensure that the domain is correctly linked and active. This might involve updating DNS settings, so be prepared to make a quick visit to the website where you registered your domain. Follow the instructions provided by Vercel and you should be good to go. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add a custom domain to your Vercel project. With your new domain in place, your web experience is set to impress. Keep this guide handy whenever you need it and enjoy crafting your unique space on the web. Thanks for watching and happy deploying.